Hi, everybody. Welcome to Math 119. I'm your instructor, Ryan Moore, and I just wanted to film this video for a couple minutes, say hi, let you see who I am, and just talk about the class and a couple of things here at the beginning. So first, where am I? Well, this is my front porch. That's what works out for our situation here. Um, so what are kind of my surroundings like? Well, you see my trusty lamp. I like to have that over my shoulder, and some other sort of porch things. That's a large carpet to block the view right there. And you can see my barbell is hanging out there on the side. That's its home when I'm not using it. And then just otherwise, we've got some small porch furniture. My son's stroller is over there. I won't show you all of those things. Um, so I've been teaching. This is my makeshift office that we set up here, almost a year ago. And it works pretty well. Gets kind of cold sometimes in the summer, gets kind of hot, but hopefully we're kind of moving towards that warmer weather in the spring. It was kind of tough earlier this week when it was raining. Um, and yes, but we get through it. Okay. So just a kind of some of my philosophies on teaching online and just how does that influence our course. So let me tell you first up, um, we've all been teaching online for about a year now. And I got to say, I am not an online guru. I'm not up on the latest cutting edge teaching styles online. I hear about them, right? But I'm a little bit slower to implement some of those things, which I think is perfectly okay. Some teachers take those and they go off, and it's great. Me, on the other hand, I kind of keep things very simple. I keep them very close to my traditional face-to-face courses, that would be on campus. That's going to be reflected in our class. Um, just kind of your kind of standard assignments. As time has gone on over the last year, I've started to implement, you know, little things to enhance the student's experience, not to make it more work or harder, but to enhance the experience. So things like discussion boards and that sort of stuff to get people talking and thinking, since we're missing that piece from being all together. But generally speaking, I try and keep it real simple, very similar to my face to face courses. By the way, I have my notes here if you see me, my notes for this video, if you see me looking down. I have taught stats for about 2.5 years every semester. So I got to say, the first time I taught stats was 2.5 years ago, and I love teaching stats. It's so much fun. It's so different from, kind of your more, you know, standard math courses, your algebra, your geometry, and that kind of line going to calculus and things. Statistics is just a whole different way to use numbers, with different goals and different styles and really a different philosophy behind it than other kind of your more traditional line of thinking with math. So I hope you guys really enjoy that aspect of it. Not that it's easier than those courses, but it's just definitely different. We deal with so much real world application. I mean, in every single problem we look at, um, we're working with real data. It's really, really cool. Okay, so that's kind of my thinking about the class. What can I send you guys off with? What to do next? So our Canvas page is up and running. If you're not familiar with Canvas, or if you're new to that on our district, that's like our course website, really. And so the information on how to find that, log into it, it's in that email, the email that this video is in, of course, that you see there. So log in, and you got your first assignment. They get to know the course and they get to know you. So you're going to find the answers to that. When you log into Canvas, you'll see our syllabus, the calendar, the learning resources, also Canvas. I keep it real, real, real simple. I need that as well. So obviously there's not very much up there right now. So when you first log in, you're just going to see the syllabus, calendar, learning resources so you can answer those questions. And then you'll see the assignment page for the Get to Know the course, Get to Know You. You can upload it. And well, that's due on Tuesday of next week. Also Tuesday, we have our first live meeting at 9:35. So you'll find the Zoom link there on Canvas as well. So yeah, next Tuesday, come at 9:35. I'll be there at 9 because my student hours, which it's not really much to talk about there now, homework questions and things, but typically student hours will start at 9 a.m. So I'm going to be there at 9 a.m. and just kind of hanging out. So if anybody wants to come a little bit early, say hi. Then we can chat a little bit, and then we'll have our first meeting. We're kind of all kind of get to know one another. So that's what I wanted to send you guys off with. Okay, good luck. Of course, any questions you can send me an email. And again, welcome to Math 119, and I will see you soon.